The human body is a remarkable machine capable of incredible feats of strength, resilience, and self-healing. But beneath the surface of our skin lies a complex and often overlooked world, a microscopic battleground where a silent war is constantly waged. This is the realm of the immune system, an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs that work tirelessly to defend our bodies from a constant barrage of invaders. Every day we are exposed to a multitude of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other pathogens, all seeking to invade our bodies and multiply. These microscopic enemies are relentless in their pursuit, attempting to breach our defenses and establish a foothold within our systems. But standing guard against this constant onslaught is our immune system, a vigilant protector that works tirelessly to identify, target, and eliminate these threats. The immune system is our body's internal security force, a complex and highly specialized network of cells and organs that work together to keep us healthy. This intricate system is responsible for distinguishing between our own cells and tissues, known as self, and foreign invaders, known as non-self. This ability to differentiate between self and non-self is crucial to the immune system's effectiveness. When it encounters a foreign invader, it mounts a targeted attack, deploying specialized cells and chemical weapons to neutralize the threat and protect the body from harm. Imagine for a moment that you're working in your garden, tending to your plants with care. As you reach down to prune a rosebush, you feel a sharp prick on your finger. You've been stuck by a thorn, and a tiny drop of blood wells up on the surface of your skin. Though seemingly insignificant, this minor injury has just created a potential entry point for a host of microscopic invaders eager to exploit this breach in your defenses. Unbeknownst to you, lurking on the rose thorn were thousands of bacteria, just waiting for an opportunity to invade your body. As the thorn pierced your skin, it created a tiny opening, a breach in the protective barrier that keeps these microscopic invaders at bay. With this breach, the bacteria seize their chance and begin their assault, infiltrating the warm, nutrient-rich environment of your body. The skin, our largest organ, serves as the first line of defense against these microbial invaders. It acts as a physical barrier, preventing most pathogens from entering the body. But when this barrier is compromised, as in the case of a cut or scrape, it creates an opportunity for these microorganisms to slip past the body's defenses. Once inside the body, these invaders begin to multiply rapidly, potentially leading to infection and illness. But the immune system is quick to respond, mobilizing its forces to confront this microbial invasion. The moment the breach occurs, a cascade of events is set in motion, triggering an immediate and coordinated response from the body's internal defense system. As the first immune cells to arrive at the site of infection, macrophages play a crucial role in initiating the immune response. These large, amoeba-like cells are the body's first line of defense, patrolling the tissues and organs, constantly on the lookout for any signs of trouble. They are the sentinels of the immune system, always vigilant and ready to respond to any threat. Macrophages are equipped with a remarkable ability to engulf and digest foreign invaders, a process known as phagocytosis. Picture, if you will, a microscopic vacuum cleaner moving through the tissues, seeking out and engulfing bacteria, viruses, and cellular debris. These cellular scavengers are essential for keeping our tissues clean and free of harmful invaders. But macrophages are more than just garbage collectors. They also play a crucial role in alerting the rest of the immune system to the presence of an infection. When a macrophage engulfs a pathogen, it breaks it down and displays fragments of the invader on its surface, like a wanted poster, alerting other immune cells to the threat. This process, known as antigen presentation, is a crucial step in triggering a more targeted immune response. By presenting these antigens, macrophages act as messengers, carrying vital information about the invading pathogen to other immune cells that can then mount a more specific attack. Section 4, Neutrophil, the reinforcements arrive. As the battle against the invading bacteria rages on, the macrophages, though valiant in their efforts, may find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer number of enemies. The infection site becomes a microscopic war zone, with both sides locked in a struggle for survival. But the macrophages are not alone in this fight. They have a powerful ally in the form of neutrophils, a type of white blood cell that acts as the immune system's rapid response unit. Neutrophils are the most abundant type of white blood cell in the body, and they play a crucial role in fighting off bacterial infections. These highly mobile cells are drawn to the site of infection by chemical signals released by the beleaguered macrophages, like reinforcements rushing to the front lines of a battle. Upon arriving at the infection site, neutrophils unleash a potent arsenal of weapons to destroy invading bacteria. They release toxic chemicals, trap and ensnare bacteria in sticky webs, and even sacrifice themselves in a process called mitosis, releasing their own DNA to create a lethal net that traps and kills the invaders. Neutrophils are particularly adept at targeting and destroying bacteria, often engulfing and digesting them in a process similar to phagocytosis. They are essential for controlling and resolving bacterial infections, preventing the spread of these harmful microorganisms to other parts of the body.